There was an old farmer who had just one horse. And one day, the horse ran away. "What bad luck," said the man's neighbors. But the farmer replied, "We'll see. Bad luck, good luck, who knows?" A week later, the horse returned, together with another beautiful horse. "We are so happy for your good luck," said the neighbors. The farmer replied, "Good luck, bad luck, who knows?" One day, when the farmer's son was riding the new horse, he fell off and broke his leg. "We are very sorry for your bad luck," said the neighbors. The farmer replied, "Bad luck, good luck, who knows?" When the new year arrived, the country was at war. All the healthy young men had to go and fight for the emperor. Only the farmer's son with his broken leg remained. "What good luck," said the neighbors. "We'll see," replied the wise farmer. Good luck, bad luck, who knows?